Hey, if you want to change the date and the time on your Nokia 105 from 2023, first click on this button to open the menu, and now you will have to navigate with these buttons and go into the settings. Now we have to scroll down and go into the time settings, and from here we can find the clock settings, the date settings, and the display off time and the date. And so let's say that I want to change the time at the first. So I can click to set the time, and now we can actually change the minutes. When you want to change hours, click on this left or the right button to switch. When it is highlighted, it means that you can actually check one of the options, then click OK to confirm. And now if you want to change date, scroll down, click OK, and first we can change day, next we can change month and the year, then click OK. And also in the clock settings you can change the time format, so you can switch between 24-hour and the 12-hour format. And below we can also select to display off time and the date. So when you click to hide clock and now go back, as you can see, it doesn't appear anymore. So that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.